Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and today we've got a nice little treat, something out of the ordinary, which is a whole lot of stuff going on. What we have is we're going to go see the Warman Trio. They're going to be playing here at the RV park, and I want to see what their show's a little bit about, so you can, if you see them on schedule here in South Texas, you can say, I think I want to go there and maybe see them. Or if they're happen to be traveling, which they do, especially up in Pigeon Forge, you'll say, hey, I remember seeing them at Tony's video at Coolest Life. So maybe I'll go see them, because they tend to, their homestead is in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area. So you can maybe catch one of their shows there. But we're going to go inside right now so you can see what they're all about, and I'll give you some ideas, and you can decide if you want to go see their show next time, or maybe even go to their website and, I don't know, buy a CD or something. Because we're just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Show Edition.
just fine. So kind. Better put your flat feet on the ground. That's just what they do. One of these days, it's all gonna walk out of it. That sounds like a warning, man.
And I hope you enjoyed their show. They do a really good show, and they're unlike any other act out there, especially doing the 50s and 60s genre the way they do it. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is where you like and subscribe at, that place right there, Coolest Life. Yeah, like and subscribe there. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you're ever out in South Texas and you see the Warman Trio or in your area that you're going to be at, by all means catch the show. Or maybe if you're up in Pigeon Forge, catch a show there, or who knows, they might decide to go to Branson, no telling. I hope you enjoyed that. They're a really unique group that you just don't find everywhere. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe and send this to your friends, because I'm out here living the coolest life.